Leetcode Biweekly Context 173. Question number 1. Reverse string prefix. This is an easy problem. First of all, check this string ABCD. We have to understand there is an index for each letter in this string. Say 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. And second thing is we can split this string into AB and CD. The way we are handling this string is that we can add this string together to make a new string. And there's a way for Python we can reverse a string. Say if there's an array, we do this. In Python, it will be reversed this string. So the whole process to solve this problem is, first of all, we split this string based on given k, then reverse the first half of this string, then put it back to make a new string. That is how we solve this problem.